Housing an unaccountable array of attractions, Lucknow is widely known for the way it celebrates its leisure moments. From sprawling gardens that have become the symbols of a rich past to recently developed parks, the folks enjoyed their happy moments at a string of magnetic recreational spots in the city. The significance of some of these landmarks has evolved in such a way that they occupy a special place in Lucknow's tourism circle. So if you wish to have a joyful experience, here are a few parks in Lucknow that can rejuvenate your soul, promising you memories for a lifetime. Top 5 parks to see in Lucknow. Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Park. Spread across 76 acres, this is a popular park in Gomti Nagar. Dedicated to the socialist Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, the park has 4 divisions of courtyards and separate entrances. Besides, it has vibrant lawns sprinkled with seasonal flowers and shrubbery. It is also used for jogging and morning yoga classes. A special arrangement has been made for the morning visitors of the park. From 6 to 7 in the morning, the park's visitors can avail of vocal and instrumental music. Spring and winter are wonderful times to visit this park. Gautam Buddha Park. Located in Hasanganj in Lucknow, Gautam Buddha Park is situated next to Hathi Park. Set up in 1980, this hot favorite among kids and adults is replete with swings and slides based in lush green lawns and blooming flowers. The park also facilitates paddle boating at a nominal price, which is highly popular among visitors. There's also ample amounts of parking space here. The park can get quite crowded during the weekends. Apart from leisure, the green space also has quite a few food stalls that can be a little pricey. This park is also a popular haunt for rallying political parties. Ambedkar Memorial Park. The Ambedkar Memorial Park was constructed by the Mayawati government in Gomti Nagar. It was built to commemorate the people who dedicated their lives to equality and human justice like Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Kanshi Ram and others. With a budget of a whopping 7 billion rupees, the park in Lucknow is one of the loveliest things to see. Although it is not as green, the park houses various statues and structures of great historic importance. The red sandstone structure of the memorial houses many other significant pieces like the Ambedkar Stupa, Pratibimb Sthal, a gallery and even a museum spread across 2.5 acres. Janeshwar Mishra Park. One of the biggest Asian parks, Janeshwar Mishra Park is an urban park operating in Gomti Nagar in Lucknow. It was named in memory of late politician Janeshwar Mishra from Samajwadi Party. The architectural and development blueprint has been drafted by the prestigious New Delhi-based School of Planning and Architecture. The park has a long meandering walkway. There is an exclusive cycle track running over with a cycle parking facility. Also, there are jogging tracks that can be used by professional athletes. It comes under the green belt of Lucknow and is counted as a mini forest. Gomti Riverfront Park. Gomti Riverfront Park is a newly constructed park with some excellent aesthetic attractions. It was built with the concern of renovation and development of River Gomti, which is considered the lifeline of Uttar Pradesh. Its major attraction is the musical fountain, which is huge and can be seen from both sides of the river. This park is a great hangout place for peaceful evenings with family and friends.